Hi, this is question 15 on ECAA 2016. So Bob, Eve, Nan, Pip and Viv took part in a bowling marathon to raise money for charity, and they were sponsored per 100 points they scored. We're told how much each of them was sponsored for and also how many points they scored, and we're told that 4 of them raised exactly the same amount of money, and we want to know who raised a different amount to everyone else. Okay, so we can use this information to work out how much each of them raised. So because they're sponsored per 100 points, the tens and units don't really matter here. So Bob gets £63 per 100 points, and he scored 24 lots of 100 points, if we ignore the 7, because it's in the units. That means he gets 63 times £24. And similarly for the rest of them. Okay, so you could just calculate all of these and see which one's different, but I guess that would be the slower way of doing this. You can look for other indicators instead. So for example, if there had been a really big number times another really big number, then you'd know that was the different one because it would be much bigger than everything else. But there doesn't seem to be anything that sticks out like that here. But you can look at the divisors of these numbers. So all of these numbers, apart from this last one, is divisible or are divisible by 3. So 63 is divisible by 3, 27 is divisible by 3, 72 is divisible by 3, and so is 54. So when we perform these multiplications for these first 4 numbers, we'll end up with a result that is divisible by 3, but this last one isn't. So this cannot be the same as any of these other numbers, and therefore our answer must be E, Viv.